Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2012 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. It's a half-ton pickup. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it with the lifted strut option, and then we also put a set of 22 by 10 fuel Renegades with a chrome face and a gloss black lip. We put some 37-13-50 R22 Nitto Terra Grappler mud terrain tires. Now this 6-inch rough country lift, it has the lifted strut option. So if you decide to go with a lifted strut option, you will need to disassemble your factory strut. And a lot of people don't have a strut compressor or the spring tools to do that. So before you go ahead and throw that on your truck, make sure that you either rent or buy the strut compressor, or you find a shop that can do it for you after you disassemble your truck. Besides that, it's a relatively simple lift. You do need to cut your cross member to get your front differential to drop down, so make sure you have a reciprocating saw, an angle grinder, cutting tools like that so you get your cuts properly. Besides that, it's a relatively simple install. Nothing else is very difficult. Everything is well detailed in the instructions. We did put the 37-13-50 R22s on the 6-inch lift. There's a little bit of trimming on the front valence and in the back on the inner fender. Besides that, they fit just great. It's a 22 by 10 with a 6mm offset. However, with these Renegade wheels, you still have a small lip because of how the spokes work on the wheel. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the headlights, which are just from Amazon, the owner already had them purchased and owned them and just wanted us to install them. Same thing with the taillights. If you want any of these parts, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy the truck already lifted. I don't want to go buy a truck, bring it to you, get it lifted, and then have it. I just want it already done. We're going to start posting the vehicles that we've built for dealers that are currently for sale on our website. So the idea is you go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and you can scroll through all the vehicles that we already have pre-built, pre-made at dealers' locations ready to sell to you. So if that's something that interests you, go to our website, central-alps.com, and start shopping for your new car or truck or Jeep. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.